What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Capital Finance, your ultimate go-to channel for business ideas, entrepreneurship, investment, and finance. This lengthy episode is jam-packed with 18 passive income ideas you can do at home right now. This is going to be part 1 for this episode, so make sure to finish this video and tell us what you think in the comments below. Now, life wouldn't be complete without passive income. The idea of earning money while you sleep, travel, and spend time with your family is one of the best feelings in the world. This video features all our finest passive income ideas in one place. This video is a must-see if you're serious about generating passive income. Grab something to drink and some food with you since this video will be a lengthy one. Give it a like and enjoy. From our previous video, we have learned about creating different income streams such as crypto, investment, and ads, where you sit back and wait for the money to come in. Of course, it still requires initial work, but it illustrates the power of passive income. Nothing is more powerful than when your money makes more money. It saves you time and effort and provides you with financial support to pay all your bills. But very few people achieve that milestone where their money works for them and not the other way around. Chasing money is not a bad idea, but chasing money your entire life isn't also a great idea either because you need time for other things in your life. That's why I try my best to create as many sources of income as possible, but most importantly, make them as efficient as possible. The most famous passive income source is rental income. You have a property that's rented out and then the tenant keeps sending you a check every month. Since real estate is not cheap, that check could be big enough to pay all your bills. But what if you don't have the money to buy real estate? Of course, you don't need hundreds of thousands of dollars to buy a property. All you need is enough for the down payments. The rest will be covered by your tenants even if the property doesn't generate income in the first year or so. It will in the future once rent prices rise year after year. But real estate isn't the only way where you can build passive income in the 21st century. There are far more tools than most people know. So in this video, I want to share with you some fundamental passive income ideas that you can implement right now. And most importantly, you don't need a lot of money to start. Signing up as an Airbnb host is at the top of our list. Creating a listing on Airbnb for an additional room in your home that you rarely use is the best option. Airbnb is likely to charge you twice as much as if you were to rent it on a long-term basis. Airbnb is a lot of work, but it's a terrific source of revenue. And your guests won't trash your room because they'll be staying in the next room. Renters on Airbnb may also help their homeowners pay off their loans. The long-term benefits of this strategy are enormous. With COVID, it's been a lot more complicated, but I'm confident that things will return to normal because people naturally are social beings. We've been socializing from the dawn of human life. Next, we have cryptocurrency investment. Do you have any idea how many crypto millionaires are out there? Simply make an educated estimate. How many do you think? 10,000? 20,000? 30,000? You can pause this video and provide a guess in the comments. If you think you know what it is, let's find out. More than 100,000 people have more than $1 million invested in Bitcoin, according to the cryptocurrency data tracking crypto. There were 15,000 Bitcoin millionaires a year ago, but that number has risen to 50,000 now, up from just 25,000 4 months earlier. These millionaires own different types of cryptos like Ethereum and XRP and SLP and Shiba Inu and many more. Of course, you'll have to manage it a bit, but overall, you can maintain getting paid every month or week with the least amount of effort. However, trading cryptocurrency is highly risky since the market is volatile. It would be best to do your research and study, especially when investing a large amount of money to avoid incurring losses. Third on the list is t-shirt printing and selling business. This industry was unthinkable just a few years ago, and it has only just become popular. While it's practically hard to get into and thrive in specific industries since they've been around for a long time, that's not the case with t-shirt printing and selling business. It is predicted that by 2025, the global market for personalized t-shirt printing will exceed $10 billion. There aren't many hurdles to entry for this industry. Therefore, they're an attractive source of income because of their broad appeal and low cost of customization. While it would take tens of billions of dollars to compete with Tesla in the electric car market, all you need to start selling in-demand t-shirts is a decent concept since various platforms can handle everything from delivery to management. All you need to do is design and sell. A t-shirt with excellent writing always makes me want to have one. In other words, if you're creative and have a good eye for design, you may make money by creating and selling cute t-shirts on Redbubble or any other site. If your t-shirt designs are popular, you'll be able to earn a passive income by selling them repeatedly. Every 2 to 3 months, you may develop a new t-shirt design that you can offer to your customers. Next is Real Estate Investment Trust. REITs are popular with investors interested in real estate, but do not want to bother with management. There are companies like Alexandria Real Estate Equities or CBRE USA that invest in office buildings all around the US. Since renting a property is ideal, it does need some administration. REITs are traded in the same way as other companies in the stock market, although they often pay a substantially greater dividend rate than that of the average firm. For example, in Alexandria Real Estate Equities, dividends are paid at 2.28%. That's a lot of money, but keep in mind that the company's stock price doesn't rise all that much. In this firm, dividends will be your primary source of income. A wide range of investment options is available, from commercial buildings to residential homes to farmland. Investing in these stocks because of their high dividend yield makes them attractive as a source of passive income. Still, you should exercise caution since you risk losing money even though you receive significant dividends if you choose the wrong rate. Take note of how the trust has performed, at the very least, during the previous several years. Are you learning so much? If yes, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Moving on to our fifth passive income idea, selling your photos. You may charge a fee for the use of your photographs. Thanks to the internet, you can make money from almost anything these days. I know you've heard this a million times, but I'm going to provide you with a realistic approach to making money from your photos without doing any work. This is not a fraud, even though it appears to be. Have you seen posters from different movies with pictures that seem familiar? That's because they're stock photos. For example, others use Shutterstock to obtain film footage or photographs for videos. Upload your photos or videos and you'll make a small fee every time someone uses your image or video on one of these websites. You may start posting the same photos you already have on Instagram. If they appear good, it doesn't matter if they were landscape or portrait. You'll be able to generate a steady stream of revenue from nothing. If you're not a big admirer of images, what's the point? It's not necessary to photograph every moment of your life. You need not be concerned though, since there are ways to make money from your creative endeavors. Number 6, we have vending machines. We never bring up vending machines when discussing passive income since they don't seem as fascinating as, say, real estate. On the other hand, it's the type of asset that it's fully automated and generates a steady stream of revenue with little to no labor. In 2015, the United States had 5 million vending machines. Vending machines generate an average of $21 billion in sales each year from the 5 billion units in use today. Most vending machines only generate approximately $5 a week because it's not an accessible business like any other business. Vending machines may make hundreds of dollars per day if strategically positioned in high-traffic areas. However, if they are in less desirable areas, they may become a liability. The difficulty is determining the ideal location and finding the perfect things to sell. If you set it in a place where few people pass by, you may expect to make just a few dollars a week from it. But if you put it in a high-traffic area, you can expect to earn hundreds of dollars a week. A lot of labor is required initially, and then very little is necessary in the future. Isn't that what passive income is all about? It's imperative that you thoroughly research the industry before becoming involved. You need to know which products sell best, which vending machines make the most money, and which locations attract customers. Next is affiliate marketing through website ads. You may think that expressing your thoughts and beliefs, just like you do with your pals over drinks on Friday night, can be a way to earn passive income. That is the essence of blogging. There is no need to produce a video if you don't want to. You put your thoughts into articles like this one and earn money with Google AdSense by placing advertising on your website. Every time a reader clicks on an ad on your site, you'll get paid a tiny fee, which could grow into thousands of dollars if enough people read your blog. Affiliate marketing is another option to make money from your site if your blog focuses on weight loss and muscle building. In your blog, you might maybe suggest protein drinks or apps that help you keep track of your caloric intake or improve your workout technique, to name just a few such suggestions. There is an affiliate program for nearly every service, which means that if someone clicks on your link and purchases a product, you may get paid anywhere from 5% to 15% or even 25% if someone would read your blog and get something from it. Because you've built a relationship of trust with them, they'll use your link to purchase the goods. Whenever I talk about a gadget, I include affiliate links in the description so that those interested in buying the device can do so using my links, and I will receive a little profit. In this situation, Amazon would give us a small cut of the sale as compensation for directing customers to the business. Even with just one or two links, you're unlikely to make much money in a short period. But consider how many people you could bring in with the dozens of articles or links and how much money you could make in a month. A different alternative is to invest in a small firm as a silent partner. A corner shop or a small coffee shop, for example, might be a highly lucrative little business. Still, when we talk about beginning a business, we typically imply a large enterprise. Running a corner store is a full-time job, but it may be transformed into a source of passive income if you join the company as a silent partner instead. As a silent partner in business, you don't have to deal with the company's day-to-day running but rather act as an advisor. These firms don't require a lot of money up front, and their business plan is relatively straightforward. Starting a prosperous corner business doesn't need you to be a genius. What others have done is an excellent place to start. Although someone else will manage the company on a day-to-day basis and receive a set salary, you will have an ongoing source of income. It is, however, critical that your numbers work out on paper at the very least before beginning anything in this field because it is an investment ultimately. However, when you stop to think about it, there are many more possibilities that most people imagine. Your turn. What is your favorite source of passive income yet? Let me know what you think in the comments. Number 9 on our list are government bonds. Government bonds are perhaps the most straightforward and safest method of generating a steady flow of revenue. Neither expertise nor effort is required. As a result, the government will pay you interest for lending your money. Taking your money, the government will use it to enhance citizens' productivity so that their incomes will grow, and they will pay more taxes, which the government can use to pay you back. Even if the government doesn't reimburse you, you can always resell the asset. Depending on the length of the term, the interest rate on government bonds might range from 3 months to 30 years. Bonds with 10 years carry a yield of 1.61% right now, which isn't bad. However, consider that interest rates on government bonds are at historic lows right now. Bond rates will climb in tandem with interest rate hikes by the Federal Reserve because interest rates will rise eventually. It's not the best option right now, but it will be. If nothing else, this is a lot better alternative than storing your money in an uninteresting bank. But on the other hand, it is a guaranteed secure investment. Do you think the United States will go bankrupt? Since the US government is the primary source of the dollar, this figure is likely to be zero. For those looking for an easy, passive source of income, government bonds are an excellent choice. The internet has opened up various possibilities for earning an income without working hard. Even while you may not be able to execute all of them, you can at least test one of them out. Alright, so these are the first half of the 18 passive income ideas you can do at home. If you want to add a comment in the comment section below, we'd love to know what you think. In addition, we'll talk about dividends and some non-tangible passive income ideas in part 2. Don't forget to click the bell button to get notified on part 2 of this episode. See you on the next one.